Catalog number 53, Cascada S, a 5-year-old grey mare by Cornets, Iberio and Caretino. Something very special is mentoring here with Cascada S. A highly sympathetic and already placed jumping mare who impresses with her ability. With the necessary experience, this exceptional talent presents herself with a lot of quality and caution. Immediately ready for the jumping course, this mare is a horse of fantastic format. She comes out of the Holsteiner line 741 with a big number of licensed stallions, for example Click and Cash, Caretino with Lars Bak-Andersen, Caretino with Wout-Jan van der Schanz, Colorit with Christian Ahlmann and David Will, and La Calidad with Christian Hess. Also Quintenda with Ludo Philippines. And also the sport horses and 1m60 jumpers Lausbub with Frankes Lothar and Otto Becker and Olli Pop with Thomas Kleis are out of this motherline.